Shersa.
My name is Juan.
And we are from Bixbox Kidscorner. So guys, we are making slime. So there is green, blue, pink, yellow, purple, and yeah. So there's also 2 activators and some shaving creams and some glitter. Beautiful glitters.
Yeah.
And we also have the container to make the slime. So guys, as you know, there's this coronavirus over here. So we suggest you guys to stay at home, you know, be healthy, and then just protect yourself
From the
and then,
coronavirus.
and then just do some activity at your home, just like us. We're doing the activity in our home, you know. It's kind of fun, you know. But just don't often go out too much. Don't go into a crowd, you know. And if you save yourself, you save the other people in this world. So guys, there's this 6 colored glues and there's 2 white glue. So to make it fair, we're just gonna put the white glue to 1 for me and 1 for Juan. And now these 6 colored glue will be chosen by us but blindfolded.
Yeah.
So let's choose. There's 6, right? So I'm gonna mix it later. And then Juan will pick 1 and I will pick 1 until the both of us have 3. And I'm gonna blindfold it. So Juan will pick it while blindfolded and I will pick it while blindfolded too. So let's start the game. So guys, I'm gonna mix this for Juan. So let's mix it. Let's mix it. Let's mix it. Okay, now Juan, you go. Just take 1. Take 1 first. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take 1 glue. Then I think that's good. I don't know. Okay, Juan, now you go again. I think I have to pick this one. I don't know, or this one. Okay, Juan. Yeah, no, it's your turn. I'm so scared, guys. I hope, cross my fingers. I hope my glue will be so good.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, so I guess this is the last one. So let's take our blindfold off in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Woo! What color that I really wanted though? And this not quite, but I think it goes better with the pink or the green. I don't know, but maybe this 2 will be good. Both of us have the activator, so let's just leave it in front of us. So now there's the glitter over here. So each of us have to take 2. Let's just blindfold. So you mix, cover it. I wish I got silver, guys.
Cross your finger.
Yeah, I crossed my finger. Okay, Juan, you mix it for me.
One. Is there only 4 right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I'm really scared.
Okay. Come on, faster.
No. Choose this one.
I don't think.
I think I should just pick. I'm so scared. I think this is pink. I don't really want pink, but yeah, I should just.
Did you just take 2 or what?
No, I took 1. Okay, now Juan, you take. Okay, now it's me again. This one. I'm scared. Okay, done. Okay, so now let's take our blindfold in 3, 2, 1.
Did I already take off it, Moo?
Okay.
Oh, I got pink. Oh no. I see red.
Okay,
So you
so
got silver then.
I got silver and gold. I think this looks really good, guys. I think my slime will turn out really good.
Except red and pink is the thing.
Okay. Over here we have some shaving cream. Let's just start making the slime. So guys, we're gonna make our pressure from our glue. So Juan, what color are you going with first?
I'm gonna wait for 4.
Okay, so I think I should go with pink. So, this is hard.
I got one.
Oh, okay, there. I open it. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna put the glue in. Woo!
Come on.
Wow! Oh my gosh,
Maybe that's
it's so
all.
pink. Oh, guys, look at this. It's so pink. Wow. Okay, Jen, are you done?
But this still have more inside.
It's okay, maybe. Let's just like. Okay, so there's this pink right now, guys. I think I'm making a great start right now. Then I'm going with brown. Look at this brown.
I'm gonna go with yellow.
Okay, now let's just pour it in. Okay, guys, this is the glue. It's so good, and now I'm gonna show you guys. 3, 2, 1, pour! Wow, it looks like chocolate, guys. Look at that.
Chocolate strawberry maybe.
Yeah, it's like chocolate strawberry.
3, 2, 1.
Whee! Wow.
Mine is like butter.
Yeah, yours like butter. My gosh. Wow, there's so much. Mine is like chocolate right now. Look at this. Yeah, they're so liquidy.
Maybe mine's done.
You can just take it out right now. Okay, so, oopsie, I got glue on the table, but who cares? Okay, guys, so my last color is green.
Me too, blue.
Oh, yes. Oh, look at this green. Okay, now let's put it in. 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Wow.
Wow, look at this color.
Look at mine.
Woo! Guys, I think I really know what color what the slime will turn out. I think my slime will turn out brown. Okay, so now my least color is white.
Yeah, white.
Now let's pour them in. Oh, this is a lot, dude. Oh, holy smokes.
No, it's covering my blue.
I think mine will turn out, I don't know what color should mine turn out, guys. Comment down below. What color is mine gonna turn out? Look at this. Look at this, guys. It looks good, I guess.
Comment down below what's my color later.
Now let's go with the glitters.
Glitters. Now I gotta start with
I wanna
pink.
pour them all. Okay. We have to be careful because glitters can get messy, and messy makes more trouble. I think that this is gold to 1. Wow, it's so good.
That looks like so many.
Wow, that's good.
And there's mine, this pink. Oh no, you see that. And then this was 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Okay, guys, so we are going for the last glitter. Look, so pretty.
Can someone help me to open it?
I think my slime will turn out fluffy. So now let's show you guys. 3, 2, 1. Wow, it's so cool.
And there's mine, it's red. And then we see it now. 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Looks so good. Whoa. So I'm gonna put the shaving cream. You should look on that. You wanna put the shaving cream first? Or
You.
okay. So now let's go with the shaving cream. It will be so fluffy. Wow.
That's mine.
Woo! Wow, yours is really fluffy. Now let's mix first. What do you think? Mix first?
Mix first.
Okay, let's
No, put
mix first.
activator first.
But I want to mix first.
So I'm gonna put the activator.
Okay, guys, but I'm gonna mix it first.
I'm gonna put the activator first.
Whoa, it's so fluffy. I think mine will turn brown, but
It smells like lemon lime now.
oh my gosh. Guys, what just happened with my slime?
Now I'm done putting the.
It looks brown.
Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it.
I think mine will turn out like brown and white.
I think I put too much activator, so it become like white already. Here's my slime.
Wow! Okay guys, so this is my slime over here. It's quite almost like turning into slime, but
Yeah.
there's some of the glue haven't turned into slime. So we have to keep on mixing. Okay guys, so this is my slime. Woo! Well, it's so fluffy, but it is not stretchy. And I really love it because it looks like a golden brown color. Did you guys see? And there's this golden and silver glitter inside. It is so fluffy, and this time I love my slime because it doesn't stick on my hand easily, and it's just really puffy. I love it, and it can just produce more bubbles. I just love it, guys. If you guys think that I win, comment down below hashtag golden brown slime.
This is my slime here. It is turquoise slime, and there's a red one. What's the name? Oh yeah. And then it is very fluffy. And hashtag turquoise slime is the best.
Okay guys, so this is our slime. So comment down below who you think win this challenge.
Comment down